Okay, so welcome to Cooking with Muggins here. I'm going to give you a few pointers because I know everyone's stressed out because of the coronavirus and all that. So, you know, food is scarce because fools were panic buying. So, not much food on the shelves, is there? But, tobacco stained finger. But there's things you can do. You know, you've got to make the most of what you have in your kitchen. So, what we're going to do, right, is you'll see here, I've got a nice little pot set up there. I'm just going to do that. Right, obviously the first thing you need with any sort of cooking, really, is a bit of good old oil. Generally want cooking oil as opposed to motor oil. It's preferable, but not necessarily necessary. So we put a bit of that in, put it back in there, keep it nice and tidy. Okay, we will put the oven on, which is that one. Okay, put that on 5. Right, so whilst this is warming up, what you can do, I like to do, whilst it's warming up, is have a look in the cupboards, see what you've got, especially at the moment, like I say, shortage of food, make the most of what you got. So what have I got? Right, let's have a look. So we have some salt, lovely salt, garlic paste, okay, crossed chilies, thyme. Thyme is all we have at the moment, folks, with the coronavirus. Too much time on my hands. Why am I recording this video? Garlic pepper, paprika, turmeric, more paprika, cumin seeds, cumin, I like to say cumin, I don't know if it's cumin, it's probably cumin, I like to say cumin, chili powder hot, oh yes, oh some ketchup, lovely stuff, right. Oh, and this is, look, because you need a base, right? You need a base for everything you do. So we have here a lovely tin of chopped tomatoes. That'll do nicely. So do this. You'll have to excuse me while I do this. I can't do everything one-handed. I'll go. Oh, look, it's a ring pull. I was going to use the tin opener. It's a bloody ring pull, isn't it? Marvellous. They think of everything these days. They really do. Right. It's difficult holding the phone and trying to do everything one hand. I can wank with one hand. I don't know about the rest of it. Right. Right, look, see, I'm opening it, see? Yeah. Right. Is that heated up yet? Yeah, not really. No, it's good enough. So you basically then pour this in. This is what I recommend if you're running low on food and you need stuff, right? So never put stuff to waste. So you fill that up with a bit of water, so you get the most out of it, yeah. And then pour it in. Lovely, lovely. Right. That's now sizzling. So step 2, step 3. A spoon. You have found a spoon. So give it a stir. Look at that. Oh, it's looking lovely already. It's a feast fit for a king, the king of games. Oh, lovely. Okay, now, we're going to need a bit of flavouring, I reckon, don't you? Right. So, like I say, find what you can. Now, I don't have much in my flat at the moment because, like I say, idiots been buying everything. But I do have an onion. I do have an onion. Now, I think cutting up onions is putting stuff to waste, and also it just takes too much time. Like, you know, who's got no... I know there's a lot of time with the coronavirus, but... So I think what we'll do is, we'll just put that in there. Like, that's lovely. Give it a stir. Give it a nice little stir. That's it. Oh, this is looking better by the second. Right. Lovely bit of that onion now. So what we do now is put some spices. So some chili. Just sprinkle that in. That's quite a lot, but you know, waste not, want not, and I do like spicy food. Got some turmeric. I can't open with one hand. Oh yes, I can. Okay, now just a little sprinkle. Oh yes, lovely. What's this? Oh yes, the cumin, not cumin, cumin. Fucking getting that right, you bastard. Okay, just sprinkle it in. Oh, stir. Always got to stir. Make sure you're making the most of it. That's it. Get the onion nice and coated with the lovely spices. Okay, paprika. I do like my spices, as you can tell, but you know, it's good. It's good. It's good stuff. It's all good. Oh, it's not coming out. It's a good shake. Hopefully we've got something out, but okay, let's hurry up here. Garlic pepper, lovely. It's looking good. Oh, the piece de resistance, as they say. As I said just then, crushed chilies. Ooh, right, just sprinkle them in. That's looking good, isn't it? All right. Oh, stir. Got to stir. Stir. Ooh, this is going to be a tasty meal. Oh, I can smell those spices. This is lovely. This is the binding, of course, the salt. I will have to put the phone down for a second. I will put the salt in, though. You can hear me. You can hear me putting the salt in. Just got to get the right amount, you know. No, actually a bit more. Right, the salt is in, and what else is there? Oh yes, the thyme, the all-important thyme that we all have too much of these days. Right, let's just put a bit of that in. Right. Okay. we are cooking. Ooh, surprise thing I just found in my cupboard. Oh, some chocolate digestives. The key with these is, there's a real trick to this. You basically just want to plop them in. A couple of lovely digestives. Oh, that's good. Lovely digestives. Keeps your digestive system going. Hence the name digestives. Oh, just found some tea bags. Lovely little tea bag. Keeps you fresh. There we go. Just put that in there. Just stir it in there. Lovely. Okay, now, if like me, you did do a little bit of panic buying at the beginning of the coronavirus outbreak and bought yourself too many toilet rolls. Now, there's a use other than wiping your ass, because you've got to find a use for things, you know. You don't want to be sat on a bed of 2,000 toilet rolls like I am presently, so you just got to find another use for them. So just get a bit of the old toilet roll, just shove it in there, right, stir it in, lovely, lovely, and that way when you take a shit it wipes your ass as it comes out. It's brilliant. Right, okay. Oh, this is smelling great. Right, I'm running out of things now, but I mean, we've already got a feast and a half, but I found some flour, so get a bit of the old flour, just lovely. Okay, oh, it's gone everywhere. Oh, it takes me back to my student days. I'll do a line, actually. Fantastic. Okay, this is getting burnt now, so I think it's about ready. We're just about there, I think. Oh, I forgot the final ingredient. Now, like I'm sure everyone does, I keep my wine under the kitchen sink, just hidden at the back, away from prying eyes. Yes, just open that. Always take a sweep. That's what professional chefs do. And just soupçon, a little soupçon of wine. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, we are, I think, pretty much ready. This looks fantastic and it smells even better. Okay, we will turn that off. Oven gloves for safety. Covered in flour, just for extra safety. Move that over there. Okay, that is just... You might find when you're cooking like a professional that you burn your surfaces with flour that's been sprinkled around all over the place. Just give that a quick wipe like that. Okay, fantastic. And that is cooked. Now, a lot of people favour using a plate to put their food on, but you never know. It's post-apocalyptic out there in the wilderness. Someone could be breaking through your bloody door in any second, trying to steal all your precious onions and toilet papers. So you gotta eat fast, get your energy down. So I like to get my cat mug, and I'll just put that there and see if I can. Yes, okay, fantastic. And I'll just get a a spoonful. Lovely. Little spoonful of the lovely stuff. When it sticks to the spoon, you know it's good. Oh, oh, just like a satisfying dump after a curry. Lovely. And then bottoms up. I mean, it might stick to the bottom of the cup as well, but just... Oh, I've got the tea bag in here. Fantastic. And that is how you do cooking for the coronavirus. Fucking lovely. Addendum, it's cooled down a bit now, so the only reason I was being sick earlier was just, you know, because it was too hot, so... Oh, it's... It's still a bit warm. I'll just leave it to cool down a little while longer.